Hey, we're the Thompsons, a family of 4 seeking more out of our everyday, living life in our Airstream and traveling the U.S. and beyond. Subscribe to our channel as we take you along on our adventures every week.
Finishing up our time here in La Paz, at least on our way down. We are heading to the Pacific side to a beach. I'm not even going to attempt to say what it is. I will just put the location on the screen. And then we do have a couple surprises lined up, which will be, shown after this. We'll see you out there.
Say hi. Is it fun? Yeah.
Yeah.
And you wear, do they make you wear the thing?
Yeah.
Is it a requirement?
I think you get.
Oh no, you're wearing the thing. You made me wear the thing at the restaurant. You're wearing the thing. Trying to maneuver through here for him not to get buried somewhere in here, so we'll see how the Viva does on sand. Oh, the Viva's already chewing.
Man, I was perfect. I was perfect till you dared me to keep going.
Peer pressure got ya.
I'll be fine.
He had the epitome of peer pressure get him.
I knew. You can look at it. I'm like, if I roll up, I'm gonna get stuck.
He didn't even move forward or backwards. He just went further down.
Oh, I see that, yeah.
What beach are we at? Since I stink at pronouncing these things.
Cerritos Beach.
We've heard it's Cerritos, not Churritos. There's no H.
Cheerios.
So, unless you're English. No, are you getting stuck by that?
Yeah, I'm getting stuck in it. Stick.
Who's calling Daddy Baywatch? Show me what you got.
He put me on the big wave.
I saw.
He caught me on the big wave.
Can you do it again?
Yeah.
at Cerritos Beach. It is so beautiful. You can climb on those rocks over there during low tide, not high tide.
That was effective.
I didn't realize he handed it to me to keep it dry. Tell me what you think about this beach. What do you like about it? And the waves? You can play in the waves. That's fun, huh?
You can jump over the waves.
Yeah.
Trying out these traction boards to see how they compare to like the mat tracks that I have. Really big. What are we doing?
We're about to go do
Scraping over here.
Oh, thanks. What? I had to get over, babe. That wire was low. I couldn't see it. I'm sorry.
What are we doing right now? Try not to die. So we're doing-
That was bad.
It was. It was like
there was a wire back there that was very low.
This is why I always drive myself.
We're safe. It's not
yeah, we're safe.
All right, what are we doing?
We're gonna go release some baby turtles into the ocean. So we are here at Tortugas Las Playitas, and we are going to release some baby turtles.
Daddy, what's your favorite sea turtle?
Well, you know I love leatherbacks. You excited to see some baby turtles?
Yes. I've never seen an adult leatherback. Neither have I.
They are open right back there. If you guys want to see them.
Oh man.
Okay.
We have to wash our hands.
We have to wash our hands.
You
Yeah.
like scrub them with salt and see.
But I would wait till like the people who run
Yeah.
this get here so we can.
Oh, okay. Be about 100 pounds and 2 foot in length.
What did you get
So
to do
cute.
for the day stuff?
Get your sand.
Make sure to do front and back.
JJ, get your hands really sandy, okay?
I can't even
This is-
I know,
This
but
is
you
like the
need to
drain
wash
right
your
here. You
hands
wash
for
your
the
hands with
turtles
sand.
if you want to touch them.
Been doing it all day.
Okay.
How buddy?
Really?
Hey Audrey. What do you got there?
Sea turtles?
Yeah?
This is the weirdest thing I could ever hold.
Just set them down right here.
I can't believe I just touched this.
They really want to go.
Hey, sweetie.
So cool.
What do you think, Bubba?
What do you think about
Yeah.
this, buddy? Good? Just good?
Just good.
That's it?
Yeah.
Just good?
Yeah, guys. Didn't see it.
We were trying to look and see if it said it somewhere, but we never found
To turtle?
Okay.
They're right there. You can just get the
Oh yeah, you can.
I know, it's so weird.
Maybe the kids could be right here so that I can pass them the turtles and put them
Wait,
here.
just a turn, okay? Come over here, Tay. On this side.
Oh, I don't want to hurt it. How do I like?
Earlier he told us they're pretty resilient, like you.
Yeah, they're pretty strong.
Oh,
Yeah.
2.
So we're gonna put them over here. You can pass them to the.
I pulled these babies out of the ground.
Alright, so kids will pass them to your hands
Or you're gonna put them inside.
Hensley,
and then
yeah. Come on.
slowly put them inside of the
Now put them
the crate.
inside of this crate, okay? Over here.
We do too.
Is kind
It's
of
all our
like
house
this
in
big,
27.
so we're just gonna dig right here.
Oh, wow. That's a
Money's
lot,
got-
We're gonna try
Mommy.
to not scrape the sides.
Hold on.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, just kind of like.
Needs to be stimulated a little bit.
I haven't held one yet, Mama.
used to doing that, huh?
I take care of the babies after you deliver them.
Wow, there's so many. All right, gently put them in the screen over there. Here.
So you can dig
I'm
more.
not counting.
This one's
Mommy.
asleep too.
Oh,
He's
count
a little
out of
stupid.
that.
Yeah.
Turtle. Here, do you want to put this one in the nest?
Massage like their arms right here.
Massage their arms, she said.
She said massage their arm.
It's like you guys need to back up because when I dig, the sand comes back through.
So
But
I'm
here,
massaging a
gently put that one in the screen over there, okay?
Yep, mine is way.
So cool.
Do you want to put this one in?
Sorry.
You know what? Here, I'll hold it. You give it a massage, okay? You give it a massage. Look, it's waking it up, buddy.
I think
You
they're
see
just
that?
like, I don't want to have it today. I'll
This far during the day.
How awesome is this, buddy?
Good. Daddy, I need to put it in there.
Okay, we're waking it up though. She said that you rub it a little bit to get it woken up. Got it, buddy?
Kinsley, do you want to do it?
I can massage one.
That one right there.
Yeah, the sand that's right here tries to like get up and push it back. So
Yeah.
by being under all those his siblings, but he'll be okay. He has that's his belly button. It's pretty much ready, so you can put him in there.
Just like chickens.
The one that we put right there still has the food store like this one.
Okay. Oh, so he's not ready then.
This is the best day of my
He's
life.
almost ready, so you can put him right there.
I mean,
We're gonna go put these
besides my children being born and getting married. But
Over here, Tay.
You don't have to.
Over here, Tay.
Up, one that like just.
Is it the
jumped
same
out of
as
the-
birthing humans, or
very different.
you mean you don't dig them out of holes in the sand?
So, I guess this was worth Baja in itself, huh? That one's really juicy.
I don't want
Oh, it had that unfertilized rotten egg on it. So yeah.
Poor
And
buddy.
and of course she smells it.
Yeah, that's my thing.
That one does.
put this right here. She is. Is it a boy or a girl?
I have to.
What?
That was pretty sweet.
It was sweet. It was so sweet.
Tell me what you just did.
Touch turtles.
Yeah. Is that sweet?
Yep, it is.
Me count on it.
Okay, turtles are being one.
Well, that's what.
Hold your bucket and I tell you where to put your bucket, okay?
Each other to be roots to the one on the bottom.
We got our luck.
I have turtles in my hands.
Can I help you?
This is the best day of my life.
I might cry when we.
All right.
All right.
Watch out, ma'am. Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Watch where you're walking. There you go. Stay on that side of mama.
Wrong way, buddy.
Mine sees. Look. Okay, this one's probably gonna take them. Well, most of them. Go, 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 go. Yep, yep.
Oh, so close. What do you think about this, Audrey?
I love it. Leader, you're losing your leading position.
There it is. They're everywhere now. Oh! Oh, okay. That cleared a lot.
7 years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. Wait for our home to show on the horizon. Soon we'll be there. Hold on tight. I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us. If we just hold on tight, this vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore when we can't read the sky. We just sail with the wind that we've got. And when we're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the shore.
So how's it feel now that, majority of them have,
I was tearing up, but I mean, this is really emotional for me. My aunt lived in Costa Rica, and she helped rehabilitate the Oliver Ridley turtles. She had to move back to the States because she has a non-curable heart condition. So it's just hitting me emotionally.
And it's the exact same type of turtle that she helped.
Yeah, it's the exact same turtle that she ran a rehabilitation center for, so.
So they're getting sand, so any turtle that isn't in the water in 5 minutes will go pick up and they'll be put back into the greenhouse to be released in the morning, I guess.
Yes!
And a couple turtles that didn't quite make it, so they're gonna get put back into the greenhouse and given another chance tomorrow.
Day at the beach, we're sun-kissed and a turtle release. It was awesome.
It really was.
Incredible day well spent. We wouldn't have been able to do any of this if we weren't RVing in Baja right now.
We definitely got a win today. We started with whales,
Yep.
then beach, with friends,
And whales at the beach,
yeah,
and then
and
turtles.
more whales, and then
Yep.
turtle release. So
Stay tuned for more of our Baja experience. Make sure you subscribe to our channel below and comment if you liked it.
see you guys in the next one.